Okay, so we're releasing that.
Okay. You can't really see that. Then we'll go and release this.
And these are the belts. And that's on both sides. Okay.
Can you just go in from this side here? You just wanna.
Okay, so that just comes off there, and that's your belt.
Okay. That part, then this one.
Unscrews.
And slides out. That releases the machine.
Okay.
Then cables. I just think.
Well, we can leave most of them on, right?
Yep. We're gonna leave most of them on.
But we can get a picture, video here of how it looks in the back.
This one will get unplugged.
And this is the stitcher box.
The stitcher box is in the front. It's the machine.
The machine.
This one. This one. And this one.
Power. And that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it of the cables. Then I'll get this one.
And then
will
this
come off.
flat panel unscrews.
Flat panel unscrews, handles. Handles unscrew right here. Plugs out of the main screen, this cable. Spool holder comes off from 2 screws. Machine releases the clamps. That should be pretty much everything. Rails come out, you just come to the end here, just pull straight up.
Okay.
Pops out. Okay.
And I'll just go around at this frame and you can just see how it goes on. And these are in the middle here, right?
Yeah, those are the panels that lay down.
Okay.
You just get
Yep.
panels here. There's a panel. These panels lay on top on the bottom. They just lay on top.
And what about
These release by just releasing the screw. We'll take this whole section off.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Yep.
Compared to some of the ones that
It's pretty
you
easy.
see.